Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change bank details on Deliveroo Rider app. Now if you want to change the bank details on Deliveroo Rider app, if you have created or entered the wrong bank details but you want to change it, or if you have changed the bank and you want to change the bank details on Deliveroo Rider app, then this is the video for you. So simply follow the steps shown in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To do so, you need to simply open the Deliveroo Rider app. And after that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Click on it and you need to log into your account. So it is not simply available in my country, so I can't log in and show it to you. So after that, you need to go on the account settings. You need to tap on the menu icon, which is usually the three horizontal lines on your profile icon, which will be at the very top left. So you need to click on it and you need to select the payments and payouts or account settings. So after that, under payouts, you'll see the option of bank details. You need to click on it and click on the option of edit or change bank details option. Now you need to enter your new bank information. So you need to input your new bank details, which is like account number, sort code, and also make sure that the details which you have entered are correct. Otherwise you won't be able to get the amount on your bank details like that. So after you have entered the new bank details, you need to click on the option of save to update your information, and you'll be able to change the bank details on Deliveroo Rider app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.